Want to access Smart Select using Edge panels on Samsung Galaxy but you're not sure how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how. Now let's get started. First of all, from the settings menu, you tap on the display option. Then you scroll down to Edge panel. Tap on it. Now make sure it is on. If it's not on, to go it on. Then you select panels. And then from panels, you have the option for Smart Select. Select it. You can turn off the other options. Then this means that when you open up the Edge panel, you have access to Smart Select, like screenshots. Now you can decide to have a screenshot with the rectangle option, which is this option, or this is it. You can pin, insert, and that's it. You can decide to use the over option, or you can decide to use the animation option. But first, you have to deselect the areas you've selected if you want to do that. By clicking on the cancel button. Then you can also decide to use the pin to screen option also, but I've already used that, so it can't be pinned anymore. And that's it. That is all it takes to have access to your Smart Select option using Edge panel on Samsung Galaxy. If you found this video helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We put up helpful tips and tricks like this one every day. Thanks for watching.